Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I got a POV drive for you guys. It's a 1-week review and I'm gonna tell you guys all about how the BRZ feels in the first week, what you need to look out for, what you need to know, and everything like that. So let's start up the BRZ, press the brake button and the clutch. Get the STI engine start stop button, start it up. Nice sequence in the gauge cluster. Turn off the music. It's already warmed up. I went to go run some errands. We'll put CarPlay on, even though I'm not gonna play music, but it just looks nice on the screen. Put the seatbelt on, and we're gonna be going to get a car wash because this car is filthy, man. That's one thing about the black color. It gets dirty really quick, and especially in the winter, it's even worse. So let's get her going. The first week with the BRZ has been great, man. I've been loving this car. I just want to drive it everywhere. It's perfect, it's small, it's got enough power where, you know, I haven't been pushing it too much right now. I've just been keeping it below 4,000, and I've only driven it like 184 kilometers in 1 week. So just from my house to work and back to my house, and yeah, it's been great, man. I've been loving it. Driving wise, the TS definitely feels a little bit more firm, I would say, suspension wise, and I'm glad I got the TS version because it's worth the money, man. The Brembo brakes, tuned suspension, TS badges, STI badges in the screen and also on the start stop button. So it's definitely worth the upgrade. I know a lot of people say they want the spoiler as the last TS had and all that stuff, but I like the simple look, man. Like, you know, maybe I'll put like a duck bill or something. But yeah, no, it's been great, man. This car is like really sick. Just what I wanted, like perfectly what I wanted. Transmission wise, it's really smooth. This 6-speed manual transmission is really smooth. The clutch is a little bit light, so you gotta get used to that, but it's pretty good. It takes about a week to get used to it, and you know, just second gear, nice and smooth. Third gear, even smoother. The third to fourth gear is the smoothest, man. It's like butter, straight butter on a hot pan. But yeah, no, this is really, it's really nice. Subaru knows what they're doing. Hopefully I don't have no RTV issues because ain't nobody trying to get the engine rebuilt. And apparently Subaru, a lot of people have been having problems with some dealerships, so you know, but mostly in the States though. I don't know about Canada. Another thing in the first week I've noticed is that since this car was on summer tires, Michelin Pilot Super Sport 4s, it was using a lot of gas because obviously summer tires are not meant for the cold weather. And if you change the screen to where it shows the gas mileage and all that, brother, it was at 17.2 liters per 100 kilometers. Now that I got winter tires on, it's gone down to 15.3. Still a little bit high, but you know, it's a sports car and that's just the price you gotta pay for it. But hopefully the next fuel stop that I have, hopefully the mileage will get a little bit better as the car gets more kilometers on it. But yeah, when I seen the 17.2, I was like, god damn, bruh, why me? But yeah, no, it was like, wanted to cry. But hopefully it'll get better, as all things do. But yeah, the steering feels really good. It's very simple design, you know, no D flat bottom or oval shape or whatnot. It's a circle, and a good circle with the blue stitching, and we got the blue in the seats. over here too, so that's pretty sick. The gauges are like my favorite thing, and the buttons at the bottom, so satisfying to like change everything. Even though when you press the mode button, that just changes the climate control, but it feels like you're putting it into different mode, you know, like a racing mode or something. But yeah, no, it's good. It's like gives me R35 vibes. But we're going to Petro-Canada for a car wash, and yes, I'm gonna go through the automatic car wash. Another thing in the winter, the heated seats, the button is right here. It's like pretty nice. The screen, it's pretty responsive. You know, you can press the buttons and it goes exactly where you want it to go. Transmission feels good. But yeah, this car overall is like a good buy, man. Like, if you got the money for it, you might as well buy it, enjoy it all year round. We daily drive over here. We don't got no garage queens. The Miata is a garage queen, but that one needs some work, and that's my summer car, so I only like to drive that one top down. I hate driving it with the top up, so you know, use it to the full potential. And we're here. Oh damn, there's a lineup. I'll just join the line and then I'll show you guys what the exterior looks like, because it's filthy, dag. All right. This car is dirty right now. The black color, all the salt and snow. Still gotta put the front plate on, but got the winter tires on. It's clearing the Brembos nicely, no scratches, which is good. But overall, we're just gonna get it nice and clean. The rear is probably my favorite angle, because it's the booty, bruh. Booty looks nice. But yeah, we gotta wait in line. I don't think it's working. I don't know what's going on. Maybe we have to go to a different one, but we'll see. Yeah, I think everyone's leaving, or I don't know. Maybe that guy's thing is not working properly. Yeah, it's just probably that guy. All right, won't bore you with me talking through this lineup, so I'll just wait till we get inside the car wash, which doesn't seem to be working. All right guys, found a different one that actually works. All right, put the window up. The auto windows are very nice. Stop at the red line. All right, we got a TV right here. Jeez, car looks nice. Car looks nice, bro. The black is sick, bro. I used to dream about this black car. Whenever I saw it on the road, I was like, damn, that looks nice. Because one time I was driving my Mazda 3, and then in the rear view mirror, I just seen like these lights, right? Daytime running lights. And as it got closer, it was a black BRZ. I was like, jeez. Couldn't stop looking at it, but yeah.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
See what it looks like from outside. All nice and clean. Got a rear view camera. I still gotta get used to this, man. I just like looking out the side view mirrors and just use this for when I get too close to things. But yeah, let's see how the car looks. Okay, nice and clean. Now the winter tire looks even better with the Brembos, gray color. Super clean. The Michelin Excise tires looking nice. This thing's looking almost like a rally car, bro. Rally car in the snow. Definitely gotta drop it down because it's too high right now. And the rear looks good too. Let's go, clean car. And now we can continue. I still gotta get mats for the car. They're on order. They should be arriving today. And the front license plate holder and all that. So those shenanigans are gonna be in the next video. But yeah, I'm just gonna go run some errands now. I just wanted to share my experience in the first week with you guys. So it's been really great. This summer I'm probably gonna drive it like stock, take it on the track and see how it does. And then maybe if I get tired of it, I'll start ordering parts for it. And then we'll get it going. First we got to get the windows tinted, but that I'll do in the summer because right now it's winter time. It's not that hot, so it's fine. Fishbowl life. But yeah, in the summer we'll get some tints. But all right guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like the video. There's gonna be a lot more coming with this car. I'm gonna share as many experiences as I can with you guys with this car. So lots of videos coming. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.